DCC can be a bit confusing at times, especially if you come across a term you haven't heard of before or don't fully understand its meaning. So, I've put together some common terms and will explain them as simply as I can. Firstly, the thing to understand with a DCC system is the power on the track is AC, not DC. There is full power on the track at all times while the system is turned on. Voltage is not varied to control loco speed. The polarity of the electricity on the rail does not control loco direction. A decoder is a small computer chip or electronic circuit board which receives the DCC signal through the track from the command station. The decoder then decodes the message and instructs your loco what to do. A decoder responds to packets of information that are sent to it by the command station. Mobile decoders are decoders mounted inside locomotives to control lighting, sound effects, and of course the motor itself. Mobile decoders are available in various sizes to match the power requirements of different scale locomotives. Accessory decoders are not usually installed in the locomotive, but are used to control other functions on the layout such as turnouts, signals, lighting, and animation. Every decoder needs a unique identifier or address. The address is used by the command station to communicate with each individual mobile decoder. It can be either a 2 or 4-digit address.